This is a Marantz SR7007. We're going to change the input to analog. Turn the receiver on. We're going to change it to 7.1. The relay's kicked in here. Go to setup. It'll come up, setup menu, audio. Hit the down arrow and go to inputs. Then hit enter. Input assign. This is where you would assign the inputs. If you wanted to assign the inputs, this is like the CD. There's none assigned to it. That's a component. And you would hit enter. And you can assign what input the CD's at. Right now we're going to keep it at none. Hit enter. That's the component. That's for video. That's the digital. If you hit that, you can change the digital to coaxial, optical, none. And this one is the HDMI. The H means HDMI. Hit enter and you can select it. The input's there. But again, we're just going to keep it at none. Okay. Go back one time. And we're going to go down to, there's different things on this menu here. There's the input assign. That's how you would scroll up and down. Source rename, you can name the input what you want. Hide sources, I'm not sure on that one. Oh, you can hide what sources on your display when you turn it. If you only got two things on there, you can just put two things on your display up here, is where it is. The source level. Now the input select, when you go to input select, hit enter. Analog. That's where if you just run your CD player or something into your analogs. Now if you want 7.1, you hit enter. See how that scrolls up here? 7.1 channel in. Hit enter. There you just see how it all lit up here. Subwoofer, left, center, right, surround left, surround right, back out. Or you can just hit enter. You can hit set up and you'll change it. CD 7.1 channel in. Okay, again, we'll go back here and we'll change it. Go to setup. It's gonna start with the audio probably, unless it started on the input because that's where we left it. But like you say, if you had a screen up here, your screen would look like this up here. You got audio, video, input, speakers, like that. So go down to inputs, hit enter. Input assign. We're going to go down to input select because we're going to select it, hit enter. See, we were on the 7.1, that's where it left off at. You can see up here on the screen 7.1. We're going to change it back to analog, which would be just your regular CD input if you had it for analog for your RCAs. Hit enter. It lights up on both sides. We're going to take it back to analog. You got 7.1 channel in, or you got analog. Hit enter. Now you can see how this changed again. Front and left, front and right. That's all that's selected. You can back up, and you back to stereo. That's just running left and right. Front, right. Now if you want to, like I say, if you want analog again, if you're running 7.1 in, you hit enter. You hit setup. Go to inputs. Hit enter. input a sign that you were where you would sign what input. If you had your Blu-ray player hooked to the CD, you can change it to the input of what you got in the back of the receiver. All the inputs are assignable. So we're going to go to input select, hit enter, hit enter again, and 7-channel in. See how they all lit up? Let your 7-channel in running. Hope this helps.